Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And before I get into today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and smash the heck out of that red subscribe button, guys. We're so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once I hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys. So please make sure to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so very much for your support, guys. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Granny's her house dimension. Hopefully she don't beat me over the head with her big spoon and poke me in the butt with her big fork, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 10 light gray wool, and you want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need 4 black wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your light gray wool. Then you just want to go ahead and you want to jump up on this thing, and you want to go ahead and you want to place 1, 2, 3 light gray wool with 1 black wool on top, guys. Then you might just want to look around, make sure you don't see any suspicious activity. Oh my god, what was that? Well, it must just be my nerves getting to me. Let's go ahead and jump on down, and let's go ahead and place 1, 2, 3 light gray wool on this side, and then 2 light gray wool in the middle, and then 1 black wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished. That's what it should look like, guys, exactly to a T. Let's go ahead and let's light this baby up now. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing, guys? Don't that look absolutely stunning? Let's go ahead and head into this thing and meet Granny. Oh my god, it jumps right through. Hopefully this loads up quick, guys. Hopefully it loads up super quick. Oh my god. Where are we, guys? What kind of sick dimension have we just been teleported to, guys? Oh my god. I'm kind of scared, so go down there, pig. What are you doing? Get down there. Oh my gosh. I guess I'm gonna have to do it, guys. Whoa, this is a pretty nice place. Oh my gosh. Whoa, Granny must be rolling, guys, because wow, look at this TV. Oh my gosh, guys, how did she get all of this? And this must be her bathroom. She has a nice shower. I think this is supposed to be the sink. Then this is the toilet that she's obviously locked me out of because she don't want me using it in her toilet. She also has a tub that has no water, which it doesn't make sense to have a tub with no water unless she's trying to keep me from bathing in it, guys. Or maybe her water. Oh my gosh, right there she is. Whoa, guys, I was about to say maybe her water's been cut off, but oh my gosh, it looks like it has because she looks super dirty, guys, and just nasty. Let me go ahead and hit her, guys. You better stop peeing on that bush. Boom, take that. Oh my god, she's coming at me, guys. She's upset. She's upset because I found out that she pees on bushes. Oh my gosh. Let me try to hide, guys, beside this bed. Maybe she won't see me. I think she still sees me, guys. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and try to shoot her in the face. Boom, take that. Oh my god, that was so close to hitting her in the false teeth, guys. Oh my gosh, she just hit me, guys. You want some TNT, Granny? You want some TNT, Granny? Oh my gosh. Oh, ow, stop hitting me, Granny. She's like over there knocking me on the head, guys. Let me go ahead and blow her up. Oh my gosh. You know what? I didn't want to blow you up. I thought you was going to be nice this time around. But you know what? I guess I'm going to have to do it, guys. I'm going to have to blow Granny's mind. So let's go ahead and do this. Boom! Oh my gosh. Whoa, Granny's still alive. Oh my god, you know what? I'm getting out of her, Granny. I'm not taking this abuse anymore, you heard me? I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to blow myself up so I don't have to look at your ugly face anymore. Come on, let's just do this. Boom! Oh my god, I actually survived that, guys. I actually survived that explosion, but whoa. Granny's house has been wrecked. And oh my god, is she still alive? Oh my god, I think I killed the old dirtbag. Whoa. Maybe the explosion was just too much for her, guys, and she ended up having a heart attack. Or maybe she got her heart broke so bad that she actually just ended up dying. I don't know, it was one of those two, guys. Either the heart attack or her heart got broke and she died. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below, and also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.